So what you can also do is use custom styles inside of Characterizer inside of Adobe Character Animator. So in order to do that, first of all, I'm going to go to File and then I'm going to go around and click on Open Characterizer. Once I do that, you can see that there's the face right here, which I imported in the previous lesson. So I'm just going to click on this, and over here, we can see that the Characterizer opens up in the Styles panel right here. So you can go ahead and choose one of the styles which already exists right here, or I can create a new style. So I'm just going to go around and click on Create a New Style, and let's see what happens. A new Explorer window opens up where I'm able to select the style. So I'm just going to go around and select this style right here. So now I'm going to press Open, and let's see what happens. So it determines the facial features right here. So you can go around and change this out. You can see that it has taken up the eye, but it has not taken up the eye shape. So I can just go around and arrange this out right here so that it picks up the correct options right here. So I'm just going to move this out for a while and select the eye properly. The eyebrow seems fine. Okay, the pupil right here, need to move it a bit over here. And this is the face right here, just like this. So you can see that this is the face. I'm just going to go around and gonna collect out this one so it does not overlap on with the hair. So I'm just going to go around right here. So you do not need to be perfect, so not to worry about that. Then you go ahead and then you can see that the lips you can see is not selected properly. So I'm just going to go around and select this out right here. So I'm supposed to select the lips right here. So I'm just going to go around and select this out right here so that it covers up the lip right here. So just like this, you can see that the lip has been arranged out as well. So once you're done, you simply press Next right here. And what happens is that you can see that this is the background, this is the face, that's correct, okay, face background. Hair is black, so I'm just going to go around and then, work around with the brush size. So there's the face right here. I'm just going to click and drag around the facial area right here, just like this, so that it selects this out. And then for the hair, I'm just going to go around and select this. So there's some hair over here as well. It's not just that top part, so I can just go around and select these hair part. The hair is black, so I'm not going to be very detailed right here. So I'm just going to go around, select the hair, and then you can go ahead and select around the neck as well. So this is the neck area, just like this. So I'm just going to draw out a simple one right here, and then going to go around with clothing. So this is the clothing area right here. So you can just paint around. And once you press done, you got your style right there. And you can see that now the new style has been added into our character. That is our capture right here. So you can go ahead and then increase out the stylization to make it look more like this, or you can bring it back right here to make it look more like this character right here. So you can see that there is some errors going on right there, which you can go ahead and edit it out. So you can go ahead and then edit the iris and so forth, just like this, to make sure that the errors don't happen, just like that. So I'm just going to go around and press done right here so that there's less of an error. So I'm going to go around. There's going to be, let's say, 2 cycles right here. Resolution is going to be the lowest, and lowest is what I'm going to go for. Maybe I'm not going to go with the cycle right here. And then there you go. There's the stylization option. I'm just going to go around, make it look more like this character right here. And once you're happy with the result, you can simply generate the puppet right here, and then you will have the generated puppet according to the style that you added in. So just like that, that is how you can use custom styles inside of Characterizer, inside of Character Animator. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.